Today, I'm going to show you 2 ear candy tricks that made Kygo famous. And I personally guarantee that if you stick around for this entire video and absorb these methods that you are about to learn and apply them to your own music, your songs will come out sounding at least 20% better. That first Kygo ear candy sound came out in his drums, and this was in Kygo's song Firestone. And this is the first time we as an EDM community actually heard this type of sound done with tropical house drums. The drums in Kygo's Firestone sounds like this. Let me show you what you're actually hearing and how you can make drums similar to this and apply it to your own music. So let's go to the basic form of these drums. So if Kygo didn't make these drums and another artist did, they would probably sound like this. Just continuous and ongoing. But what he does is he actually takes out every 4th snap and replaces it with a clap. And even though we're so late in the EDM game today, I still don't hear this done that often, besides when I listen to a Kygo track. So what we could do is we could take out our main snare, clap, or snap and replace it with a different sound. So I'm gonna grab a clap over here and then just put it down right here. So now our drums sound like this. So what that's going to do is it's going to keep every couple of bars interesting and exciting to listen to, just from a drum point of view. So the next thing he likes to do with his drums is throw in extra percussion sounds just to keep them interesting and exciting. So one of the percussion sounds that I hear in a lot of his drum loops is rim shots, and they sound like this. So he takes these in Firestone and he just puts them miscellaneously in his drum loop. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to spruce up the clap by adding a little sweep right before it. And this is actually a reverse clap right before the real clap. So then we get this effect. And it sounds really cool when played as a loop. So you can see the drums are really coming alive now and starting to sound like a real Kygo drum loop. So there's one more sound that he adds to every couple of bars, and this just really helps keep all of the attention on the drum. Okay, so we're gonna come to the end of every second bar of the drums. We're gonna add a snare. The snare sounds like this. So if we listen to the entire loop now, it's gonna sound like this. Ear candy trick number 2 is in the arrangement of his song. Now, it's no question that Kygo is an amazing composer of electronic music, and it really shows in the way that he evolves his chords. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at how he evolves his chords from the verse, through the bridge, and into the drop. So the first type of chords that we hear in Firestone sound like this. And then the bridge comes and the chords do 2 things. The progression changes, so the chords change, and the rhythm changes. And this is where we're really introduced to that Kygo sound. We're like, oh, this is it. So you can see now we start to hear that Kygo sound. And then right before the drop, we hear the melody come in and the chords expand. And then we head into the drop and everything drops. Those Kygo style drums, bass, chords, and the leads. So there you go, guys. If you would like to learn more about song arrangement, melodies, and how I designed some of the sounds in this project here, come join me in the EDM Bootcamp by clicking the link at the top of my description. I can't wait to help you master music production. I'll see you there.